Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package right here is actually coming from Lapstone Hammer. Big shout out to them for actually selecting me. They do run their legit raffles on their basically for limited sneakers. So let's crack this open. First time winning. So again, big shout out to Lapstone Hammer. Crack that open right there. And again, Lapstone Hammer. And basically just an invoice again from them. Okay, so take this box out of the way. So as you can see, it is a Pharrell Human Race box right here. You got the HU right there. You got the Pharrell Williams Human Race, the HOLI pack, NMD, black canvas, size 10. And the code is AC7031. And here they are. We got Adidas paper. And this is actually going to be my first Human Race NMD. So, first time in hand. And it's actually heavier than I was expecting. But as you can see, you do have this trail bottom, this NMD trail bottom right here. You got Adidas branding. And then you got the boost, you got the pods. And then you have this upper, which is, I believe it's Circa knit. I think it's like, yeah, which is a little bit thicker than regular prime knit. Then you also have World on this shoe, and then you have, I believe this is in Hindi, it says equality from what I've read, so just pretty dope. And then the upper is more of that cream color, so it does gives it a break from the colors. You have three, different shades of white, and you got the cage. You do have these white laces, and then you also have the cream laces as well. On one shoe, you do have this in leather. It says Pharrell Williams, and the other one says Adidas. And then inside, you do have the foot reflexology chart. So I'm glad to have this in my collection. Again, this is the first time I've actually had, the NMD Human Race. So just a quick look. If you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Again, one side will say World, and the other one will say Equality. Again, part of the HOLI pack. So, right, YouTube. Peace out.